Hi, welcome to another Marketing Tips. I'm here with Jason Andrew of SBO Financial. How you doing, Jason?
Very well, thank you, Matt. How are you?
Yeah, good, mate. Looking forward to the weekend. Tell us a little bit about yourself and your firm.
So I'm a chartered accountant and my firm is SBO Financial. We are basically an outsourced finance function and tax business targeting for high growth businesses. Most of our clients are in digital, being kind of e-commerce, SaaS, and creative agencies.
Yeah, nice. Well, I enjoy reading your marketing content on LinkedIn, but what's the big tip that you would share with other firm owners?
I would say that from a marketing perspective, the big tip really is just to start sharing your ideas, share your knowledge. Like accountants have a wealth of knowledge in their brains and in their textbooks and whatnot. And I think what business owners crave is information, right? Every business owner who's looking to improve anything really is always drawn to, content to self-improve. And I think accountants are really the gatekeepers to improving financial literacy of business owners. So I think the key thing is really just start sharing your ideas, start educating the market on technical stuff, what you do, how you help, and just get out there.
Yeah, nice. One of the things I always liked about your marketing when I first saw it was you would be sharing stuff like P&Ls, and I think you're one of the first people doing that kind of stuff. I see a little bit more of it now. And you mentioned technical content then. Do you think that's quite important to share that's kind of like real line of business stuff like that?
Yeah, I believe so. And the reason why is financial data typically is very kept close to your chest. And, small business owners probably don't know necessarily, when they read a set of financial statements, they don't understand it in the way that accountants or professionals do, right? And so by kind of, using public data, P&Ls and balance sheets from big companies that people know and love in some ways, really showing them, sharing their P&Ls and balance sheets and actually walking through how you would view them or interpret them or tell a story around the numbers really helps to, I think, break down barriers around hey, this number stuff isn't that scary. It's actually easy, simple to interpret. It's not rocket science. And here's how you can approach it. And I think the common criticism that business owners often give about their accountants is hey, they speak in gibberish or speaking in tongues, and they just give me this block of information. I don't really understand what they're saying. So even the craft of just being able to talk through a P&L in a live format really even is a self-development skill as well, because it trains you and helps to kind of exercise that muscle in storytelling and breaking down concepts in a really simple way.
Yeah, nice. And speaking of that, I'd forgotten about that you'd written a book, which is behind you on the screen there. I actually bought that for my leadership team to understand numbers. I think it's the best book on small business finance that I've seen. So plug it.
Oh, thank you, Matt. I'll slip you that $100 after the call for that nice plug.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, plugging it. Yeah. Sorry. Stark Naked Numbers is the book that Matt's referring to. So a few years ago, I self-published this book, and the best way to describe it is it's kind of like self-help in accounting. So I think that, again, a lot of small business owners don't really have a lot of easy to grasp content on how to self-improve their financial literacy, ranging from what is a balance sheet, how do I look at it, how is it relevant to my business, all the way through to tactical ways of how you can actually improve your financial performance of a small business. So write it to really break down barriers and try to educate small business owners and really how to navigate their finances.
Yeah, nice. What I like about it is, like the description, self-help, but it's kind of like the classic business books with some financial stuff put on top to talk around it. So yeah, I really like it.
Thank you.
All right, awesome. Well, thanks for that, Jason. I appreciate you sharing that, and enjoy your weekend.